Now we're going to move on and apply our rules with exponents along with combining like terms to go over how we would multiply polynomials. Now, when we multiply monomials, those are essentially what we did with the first two sections when we were applying our exponent rules. We were taking two monomials and we were multiplying them as part of our product rule. So we'll apply the same thoughts here. When we're multiplying our monomials, we multiply the coefficients, and when we're multiplying the variables with the exponents, we add the exponents. 10x to the 9th. For b, we have coefficient of 7 and -1, so we're going to multiply those. And then we're going to run down the list of the variables. X doesn't have any other terms or any other factors. Y, we're going to add 4 and 11. And z, we will add 4 and 5. Give us -7x, y to the 15th, z to the 9th. On c, -5 times -8, m to the 4 plus 1, n to the 1 plus 1, p to the 3 plus 5, -40, or +40, m to the 5th, n squared, p to the 8th. Now when we multiply a monomial by a polynomial, we'll be doing the same idea where we're multiplying and applying our exponent rules, but we also have to apply distributive property. When we're multiplying a monomial by a polynomial, every term inside the polynomial gets multiplied by that monomial. So we are distributing the monomial across the polynomial. So we'll have 2x times 5x minus 2x times 4, giving us 10x squared minus 8x. Here we'll have -3x squared times 4x squared minus -3x squared times 6x plus -3x squared times 1, giving us -12x to the 4th plus 18x to the 3rd minus 3x squared. All three terms will be multiplied by -xy, giving us -7x to the 3rd y squared minus 3x squared y squared plus 11xy. Then when we want to multiply two polynomials, we will distribute every term in the first polynomial to every term in the second polynomial. And then any like terms we have, we'll want to combine. So x will be multiplied by 2x. X will be multiplied by 5. And then 3 will do the same thing. 3 will be multiplied by 2x. And 3 will be multiplied by 5. So we will have 2x squared plus 5x plus 6x plus 15, 2x squared plus 11x plus 15. Repeat the process, except now we're going to do 3 distributions on 2x, 10x to the 3rd minus 12x squared plus 14x, and then -3 times each term in the trinomial, -15 x squared plus 18x minus 21. Now what I like to do when I have a lot of multiplications is I actually like to line up the terms so that combining like terms becomes a lot easier. So instead of writing it out next to it, I would stack it up underneath when I notice that I'm going to have like terms. That way it makes it a lot easier to go ahead and add because we see the like terms grouped together. Here we have two trinomials. So we're actually going to have 9 multiplications. We'll start with x squared, 2x squared multiplied by everything in the trinomial. So we'll have 2x to the fourth minus 12x to the third plus 4x squared. Then 3x times everything in the trinomial. So we will have 3x to the third minus 18x squared plus 6x. And then last but not least, negative 1 times everything in the trinomial. We will have negative x squared plus 6x minus 2. We go to combine like terms. 2x to the fourth minus 9x to the third minus 15x squared plus 12x minus 2.